What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. And you guys have been asking for tutorials, so here is the first one. And the most requested tutorial that I have received from you guys so far is how to make the acrylic signs that I talked to you about in my unique ways to make money with Cricut video, which will be linked down below if you haven't seen it yet. So I'm going to teach you how you can make something like this, and more specifically this beautiful acrylic sign right here. Like, how unique and how beautiful is this? So thank you guys for watching, and let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so I got my acrylic here. I'm just gonna pull the backing off. And for this, you're gonna need acrylic sheet. You're gonna need some paints, which you can see here over to the side. Something to put your paints in, and a picture to copy onto the acrylic. So ultimately, let me see here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the back plastic as well. And now we have the acrylic sheet. So this is super easy to do, and it can literally, you can do anything that you want with this. I printed out this abstract art pattern from Pinterest, and what I'm gonna do is just put this behind the acrylic sheet. So I'm gonna put it on, put it underneath, and then I'm going to put the acrylic sheet on top. I take this, actually this marker, oil-based pen from, I believe, Michael's or Joann's. I'll link it down below. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it going, and I'm just gonna trace the shapes on here. I'm just gonna take this and move it over, maybe flip it so I can get some different type of shapes, and then I'm just gonna trace on the other half and avoid in this wet spot. And this is how it looks once I'm done tracing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now literally all you're gonna do is just flip this over. Let me make sure it's nice and dry. Yep, it's dry. You're literally just gonna flip this over and start painting the back. Okay, so I'm keeping this picture over here for reference, and I have my colors here. They're really a mixture of colors from all over. I have some paints from the Dollar Tree. I have some of like the 99-cent paints from Michael's and Joann's. And here's my other paints, just in case you guys are interested in the colors that I'm using. So now it's literally just a matter of getting this painted. So I'm using this, like I said, as a reference, just so I can kind of make sure that the colors are gonna be different. I'm gonna start with brown, because why not? And literally this is so easy. You're just gonna go in and paint inside the lines. And this Dollar Tree paint, you may have to do a few coats, but again, you know, that's the name of the game when you buy cheap paint. But again, I was just using what I had, guys, just to show you this tutorial. And just like that, you have your first shape done. I'll probably go back over this with a little bit more paint once it dries, but as I kind of want to just show you guys a quick little flip here, you can see how cool that looks on the other side. But like I said, it has to be painted a little bit better than this. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint some more brown spots on here, and then you know, go on with a different color. And I like this design. It kind of goes with the vibe, and it's so funny you see like a little painting down there. That's kind of like what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click customize, because I'm just gonna need to resize this, cut it out on my Cricut, and then I'll show you guys how to apply it. Okay, so I'm just gonna weed my design here. Make sure you guys can see it. I know it's sideways for you guys, but it's just the easiest way to fit it all in the camera. So I got my two my two things come out. It's like a offset accent. So I'm gonna be putting the white down, and I'm gonna put the tan on top of it just so it can pop. So you guys know the vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my transfer tape down. I like to do it like edge to edge. Like I like to just lay it. Oh, I didn't cover the whole thing. Let me grab my tool really quickly. And just use my scraping tool. Get it nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the art, and then I'm gonna apply the top layer. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place my, do it this way so you guys can see it properly. Place my wording like right in the middle here. Go ahead. I like to do it with my hand first, then with my scraping tool. Layer one is complete-o. Sometimes it's hard for me to get it with my nails, so go ahead and peel that back. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna lay this on top of here, don't judge me. And then I'm gonna take my second layer, which I always reuse my tape on a certain project. Go ahead and lay that down. I like to first hand smooth and then smooth with my tool. Make sure that thing sticks. Pull this one up too. And guys, I know you guys are probably gonna ask, this is all Cricut vinyl. I'll try to link the colors down below if they're still available, because I've had this for quite some time. But we shall see. So I'm getting this layer pulled up, and I always like to just take my time. Sometimes it doesn't come up all the way, which is cool. It's fine with me. Especially since I already used this transfer tape. All right. Now this was, the design was like a little bit offset. So I like to just hover. I'm gonna stand up and do this. Gonna hover that so the letter has like a little offset. I think that's gonna be good right there. So each letter will kind of have a little offset on each one. Oh, make sure my bottom layer is on properly. Like I said, I like to hand smooth, then use my tool. So everything is nice and stuck. And here's the final result. Let me know what you guys think down below. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. So now for this sign, it's kind of the same, because that one was a little bit more complicated, but I want to show you guys something unique, how you can, because these signs, you see them everywhere. As you can see. But this sign is also super easy to make. Just like the other sign, what you would do is just paint the back one solid color, and you would just make the ends rough so that the acrylic can shine through the front. Once you do that and once it dries, you literally just do the same process. You pop your vinyl onto the front of the sign, and that's it. Same process, different style, but like I say, you know, over here we do unique things, so I wanted to show you that unique acrylic sign. Just something different, something I haven't seen before, something that will allow you to either be a creative crafter or make some money with your small business. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this tutorial video, let me know down below what you think. What's the next tutorial you'd like to see me do? And I will see you in the next one.